Hi, I'm Abby and I am gutom na. This is Ken of One More Rev and Paulo, the son. Okay, finally matatry na natin yung naging sikat to sa TikTok, ha? The, ano tawag?
Oh, cool.
Ano tawag?
Taiwan ice cream ba to?
Taiwan ba siya?
I can't read.
Iba-iba yung name.
Manufactured by China.
Oh, but it's the Chinese ice cream.
Basta it's the ice cream that looks like the fruit itself.
It's honky.
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 Lahat
we
sila
have-
is honky.
Honky, yeah. Honky. This is mango.
Peach.
Lemon.
Sa akin pa talaga yung peach.
Well, hindi naman siguro magte-trigger yan sa'yo, no?
Yeah,
Kasi may,
Last na natin yan.
Yeah.
may allergy kasi siya sa peach.
Parang kung
Fresh peach. Yung balat yata ng peach na nagkakaano.
yung fuzz.
So, which one?
So are you still going to go for it?
Yeah, oo. Okay lang yan.
Ito na last.
Last na. Okay, we'll start with mango. Okay, we'll start.
Yeah, palate cleanser natin yung lemon.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Ang ganda na. I should open it first. The one that's one.
I'll open it and
I will open.
Full of happiness.
I will open.
Mango. I need my glasses. Mango propitious. Propitious ice cream.
baka mahulog pa. Full of
I'm
happiness.
gonna read it. Sorry.
Ayan.
Okay. May stick siya. May stick siya.
Nag-viral yan, kaso hindi kami makachempo na all three complete sa grocery. So finally,
So
meron.
this is from Marketplace in Rustans,
It's,
Makati.
yeah, Makati. It's 389 per pack.
Pack of 3.
Pack of 3. Yan. Ganun lang siya.
So how much is that?
Vlogger yarn. Okay.
So how much is it? 389 divided by 3. 390, 130 siya.
Okay. So
This is 130 pesos each.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Wait, paano binuksan?
Wait, hold ako na. Let's have to.
Here? Wait lang!
Okay, smell first.
Amoy
Smells
mango.
like mango.
Yeah, amoy mango.
Dapat lang.
Dali.
Wait!
Dali, makukulit na. Okay?
Yung aking nga makukulit.
Okay.
Smells.
Tamis.
Oh, it has a... Okay. So the ice cream has a shell.
Soft.
Para siyang white chocolate shell.
It's not crunchy shell. It's parang soft.
It's hard shell.
It's soft.
May something ba siya sa gitna?
Hindi siya yung
No.
crunchy eh.
Yeah.
Masarap siya. Well, yung amoy pa lang niya, mango.
Pero yung
Taste-
mango flavor niya, hindi Philippine mango ah.
Yung parang orangey na yellow mango.
Tastes like apple mango actually.
Mm.
Yung parang Thai mango.
Sarap. Masarap siya.
Very creamy.
Mm-hmm. Tsaka yung taste niya, yung sweetness, okay lang. For me, ah.
Yeah.
Tama
Tama
lang
lang.
ubusin to.
Kung ayaw mo, balik mo. For you to finish later.
Ako, busin ko yan.
Yung nga sabi ko kay mami, ang bigat nito eh. Konti na lang eh.
Oo nga.
Okay.
Sabi ko nga, ayaw ko kasi tataas na naman yung blood sugar natin.
But it's good.
It's good, but is it 130 pesos good?
Yeah. Tasang...
Kasi viral siya. Para
May FOMO ka kasi.
FOMO. FOMO. But very masarap.
Mabalik ko. I'll eat this later.
Pwede, oh.
Oh my.
See, yung balat niya, yung supposedly balat niya, hindi siya yung crunchy na parang ibang brand ng ice cream na pagka kinagat mo, nagka-crack. This is parang soft and chewy.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah, I think it's like white chocolate. Right?
Yeah, it's definitely white chocolate. Very creamy.
Okay. Okay, so we're done with mango. We're moving to the lemon.
Lemon.
We have to finish everything muna, then we parang overall natin later. Kasi matutunaw siya.
Well, they're all the same.
Oh.
They're packed the same.
Oh,
Oh, this one's parang melting now.
It's melty already.
melty na? Oh my God.
Ang bilis naman. Don't remove it na kaya from this.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay. I have to show them. Why can't I show?
Oh, ikaw ang mag-show.
I'll. This one doesn't look like. Mas mahaba yung coffee.
Ang sulto pa. Wag, no need. No need.
Mas mukhang mango yung kanina. Tapos ito parang doesn't really
No,
look like
because
a
of the
lemon.
lemon,
It looks like a lemon from this point.
Oo.
Pag ganito.
Kita ba? Napakita mo?
Yeah.
Pag ganun, mas mukhang lemon.
This looks like a lemon po. Parang yellow lang na po.
Abi
Parang-
hindi pa rin nabubuksan eh.
Okay, this one, wala siyang amoy ng lemon.
Wala.
Not unlike
Yung mango, dito
Okay,
pa lang,
okay.
amoy mo na eh.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ito
One,
wala amoy eh.
one.
Madali, ba't ka nagmamadali?
No, we do the later, di ba?
Hindi, but we have to do the...
Oh, wala tong amoy.
Wala.
Not unlike the mango. Okay.
Huh?
It's
Very
masyadong-
subtle.
very subtle yung lemon.
I really wanted the, the,
Yeah,
Yung may asim, wala eh.
yeah.
very subtle yung ano niya.
Ngayon, lasang-lasa ko yung white chocolate. Because of how subtle the lemon is. The white chocolate shell is overpowering the ice cream.
Yeah.
Parang,
Kulang siya ng lemony.
Kulang siya ng asim. Gusto ko yung maasim.
Me also.
yes, yun ang ina-expect ko dito eh.
I was expecting it to be, ooh, may konting
Yeah.
almost sorbet-like.
Yeah. So far, this one's not that good. Sakto lang.
Wala ka. Sabi mo na. We're trying the, show the back. Peach. Okay. Pagka nagkaroon ka ng pastel, alam na natin yan.
Ooh, this one's the prettiest one though.
Oh.
I like the mango. Oh, natanggal na kaagad yung takip ko.
Ah.
Ooh, this one's pretty.
Umuusok-usok pa, oh. Wow.
Parang siyang yung
And the shape, oh, yung dito sa kabila.
the parang puwet.
Other side, yeah. Yan, kitang-kita yung parang shape.
Yeah.
Yung parang peach.
Yung peach na yung
It's the peach
The-
emoji.
and yung peach na bun, yung parang kinakain natin.
Oh, yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
yung sa Chinese na...
Kitang-kita yung ano, tsaka yung ang ganda nung color niya.
Yeah.
Oh, mas may amoy ito.
This one smells
Huh?
like peach talaga.
Meron?
Yeah.
Meron siya.
Mas hindi ko
Meron, but it's not as strong as the mango.
Mango one. But
The
this one-
mango was really, really
Yes,
fragrant.
No, this one's pretty strong also.
Yeah, but not as strong as the mango.
Okay, game.
Okay. Yeah.
Ito lasa yung peach.
I can
I think
smell
this is
Yeah.
my favorite one.
No,
No, mango ako.
mango ako.
I like this one.
Ito lasa yung pag-bite mo pala nung parang pinakabalat niya, lasa mo na yung peach.
For some reason, the mango, sa lakas ng flavor ng mango, hindi ko nalalasahan yung white chocolate. This one, I can still taste it. Yung shell,
Mm-hmm.
I like this one.
Yeah, the peach, because masarap ang flavor ng peach.
Kasi yung sa mango, parang it's almost too
Sweet.
artificially. Parang naging mas artificial siya.
Well,
Ang peach kasi it's
I
a little
wasn't
refreshing.
expecting any of this to be natural flavor.
Oh yeah.
So, kung mag-artificial na tayo, doon na tayo sa exaggerated.
How ironic, this is my favorite one. I like it. This is my favorite.
Mango ako.
Mango.
Spoilers. I might finish them. I'll finish
I'll finish this na.
Me also.
Okay.
Just to show you, we didn't like the lemon. Lahat kami hindi inubos.
Yeah.
One bite lang parang,
No, walang lasa eh. Parang
Meron naman, pero super
super light.
light.
Tapos parang sa end na siya.
I was expecting yung talaga, hindi mapapaganon ka sa asin.
Yung tart.
But the thing is, we're not expecting anything out of the lemon because we haven't tried lemon ice cream ever. Kasi, lemon has always been nasanay ako, sorbet.
Sorbet. Yeah, but I was expecting yung
Ayun naman, pagka kumain ka ng mga paste,
yung mga key lime pie, yung mga lemon bar, yung asim, yung tart talaga.
Yung mapapapikit ka sa asim, yun talagang wala eh.
Not even, super, super konti.
Mas maasim pa yung vitamin C tablet ko eh.
Go.
This one's good.
Parang ito yung pinaka-nauso, no?
Really?
The peach?
Ito yung nakita ko sa TikTok.
I know why. It's the prettiest.
Yeah, kaya.
Okay. Okay, habang kinakain natin to, let's give our feedback.
So yung mango,
Okay. Let's start with the mango.
good. I mean, basic.
Tsaka parang mas malaki siya. Or same size lang siya pare-pareho.
I think same size na naman silang lahat.
No,
75 grams.
75.
I'm presuming it's 75. I see it 75.
Yeah, 75.
Yeah. 75. That was 75.
This is confusing
Why?
English, Chinese, this is Japanese
No.
Okay. So back to the mango. Yun, pag open mo pa lang, what?
Lamig yun.
Brain freeze?
Brain freeze.
I have a
Why?
brain.
Do you have a brain?
I have a brain.
So pag open mo pa lang nung parang pinaka-shell niya, yung cover niya na ganito, amoy mo na kaagad yung mango.
Siya yung pinaka-fragrant siguro.
Oo.
Siya yun talagang exaggerated yung flavor.
Yeah.
Yung amoy.
Yung amoy.
Tapos the peach was, pag open mo, hindi masyado. Pero pag lumapit ka, naaamoy mo.
Tapos yung lemon, wala talaga.
Lemon talaga parang,
Even pag kagat mo, tapos smell mo, wala pa rin.
parang sobrang very, very light. Na tipong,
Yeah, yung when you bite it, parang wala ka pa rin maaamoy na lemon.
it tasted like, closer to like a plain vanilla ice cream.
Oo, na may hint of
Na may,
lemon.
na nilagyan mo lang ng lemon peel, parang gano'n.
Oo.
Parang,
Hindi
Yeah.
pa yung citrus ng lemon, yung parang lemon peel lang, parang may amoy lang, pero wala nung, ewan ko, if I want lemon, if I want lime, if I want calamansi, I want that,
yummy
Ayan,
also.
may parang may
yung,
konti ka.
yung ganun eh.
Anyway,
Ito wala eh.
pag bite mo pa lang kay mango, yung lasa niya, matamis. Parang ka kumakain ng super tamis na mango.
Yeah.
Pero parang ini-expect ko sana may mga bits ng mango.
That's what I thought too eh. Kala ko sa gitna, baka may parang yung puree, yung parang alam mo yung parang jelly or something.
Oh, yeah.
I was expecting like a dried mango na bits, tapos when you form it, so parang pagkagat mo may texture.
Hindi, yung parang gitna. That's why also for the lemon, kala ko there would be that
Lemon,
that
zest or the
middle, the
peel.
zest talaga
Wala,
na
wala.
mapapa...
The whole ice cream is just the whole, buo lang.
Yeah.
Para siyang, I don't know kung they still make it eh. Remember mo yung, well, this is my time. If you order from Magnolia House, ice cream house back in the 80s, they had this cake na fruit basket.
Hindi ka nabutan.
Tapos the ice cream on top was flavored na mga
Ay, yeah.
Tapos, per
Nakukwento
fruit.
sa akin yun. Nakukwento sa akin yun.
parang ganun
Yeah.
yung ano.
So,
So it's solid ice cream with, I'm presuming it's white chocolate shell.
Which one?
Yeah.
The
Lahat?
shell. Now all of them is white chocolate shell.
Okay.
So sa mango, what would you rate it? Out of 10?
Out of 10,
Ako 8.
mga 9 ako.
Ako, 9.
It's 8. Okay lang. It's mango ice cream. I don't even
If it
go
had
wrong.
if it had
Yung
bits or
yeah.
something like
9 or 10 ako doon.
I would go
Nine.
closer to 10.
Yeah.
Pero ako kasi gusto ko yung parang lasa niya na manggang ang tamis-tamis. I
But
like
just
it.
regular. Okay, so yung sa
But the mango is just one tone. It's
Yeah.
all sweet eh. Maganda sana kung yung mango na may sweet, na may konting tart.
asim. Yeah,
Yan.
yun.
Yeah, they're missing that.
Okay.
Sana kinain natin yung mango and the lemon sabay. No? Meron ka pa, di ba?
Meron pa.
Try it later.
Sige, mamaya.
sabay.
Okay.
Baka that
Ng
will-
mango?
Meron pa.
Nagtira
okay,
siya
okay.
ng mango.
Oh, yeah.
If you try both together,
Okay.
I think that would
That would be.
Next is the lemon.
5.
Not even.
It's a nice plain ice cream. 5.
No, but like if you're buying something labeled lemon ice cream, tapos,
They're expecting something
oo,
na,
and you'd still give it a 5. Ako, I'd give it a 2.
Especially
Seriously?
at 130 pesos.
Oo. Seriously.
Yeah.
If I'm buying lemon ice cream, at least naman may konting lemon. This one parang
I still give it a 5 because I don't mind if I'm just craving for like a ice cream.
but
Yeah. Ako siguro, to be fair, 4.
2,
ako 2 talaga.
Kasi yun nga, yung pagbukas mo pa lang,
ang taas na
walang-
expectation mo kasi
Yeah.
lemon.
Yes, ako
Ma-excite ka.
sobrang favorite ko lemon eh.
Yung
Diba?
tartiness,
Yung,
oo.
yung pag-open mo pa lang, not unlike the mango, na pag-open mo, amoy mo, mango.
Yung
Ito,
lemon
wala. Kahit yung,
We like yung asim ng things.
Oo.
Talagang sobrang asim. Yung extreme.
ito wala.
Kaya
Tapos,
pag yung
yeah.
kilay pa, what we want is the one that will make you go, ooh.
Oo.
Or the sour candies, diba?
Yeah.
The
Warheads.
the super lemon. Yung mga ganun.
Bibigyan ko yung, tapos pag-bite mo sa kanya, wala rin. Like mango,
Very, very, very subtle.
subtle. Kasi si mango, pag-bite, matamis na mango. Ito walang, parang kailangan mag-bite ka pa ulit to check na parang, meron ba yung parang zest na ano, di ba? Yung,
Sa akin sa encha, yung parang aftertaste.
Aftertaste.
Super
Aftertaste.
subtle siya
This
na
is one of
lemon.
those things that if you do a blind test, it will take a while for you to figure out.
Oo.
You know it's a citrus, but you can't say it's a lemon.
Oo.
Agad.
Mahirap siya
Pag blind
i-distinguish.
test. The others, the mango
Alam mo.
especially,
Alam mo mango.
Alam mo.
Alam mong peach. Ito parang you have to, takes a while to guess it.
kasi yung mango, kahit na yung flavor niya is different from the Philippine mangoes, it smells the same.
yeah.
You
Ito
can
talagang
Ito
wala.
sa akin kasi the mango tastes more like an apple mango.
Parang nakailang bite ako bago ko malasahan yung parang
Asim.
Yung
asim.
Tsaka yung amoy.
Yes. Diba? So, kulang siya talaga.
Yeah.
Siguro 4 na lang ako.
4, 5.
5.
4, 5, 2.
2, sobrang sama.
If I want lemon, I want lemon ice.
2 is
Yeah.
something na pag binigay sa'yo, di mo atatanggapin.
Hindi mo tatapusin.
Yeah. If it's labeled as lemon ice cream, tapos bigyan ako niyan, I won't finish it.
No, meaning, you already know what it is as pag bumili ako, so you won't eat it.
Yeah.
Okay, last
last.
is the
Peach.
The peach.
Okay.
My favorite.
No, ako mango kasi ko eh. So, siguro si peach sa akin, 8.5.
9.5.
Mga 8.
9.5.
It's good, but
Aha. So siya, pag open mo pa lang nung ganito niya, may amoy pero very
mas light yung
mas
amoy.
light.
Pero recognizable pa rin siya na peach siya.
Yeah, pero
Alam mo,
parang kailangan
You know
mong-
it's peach. You know
kailangan
it's
mong iganon muna ng few bago mo okay, peach. Diba?
And it's pretty. Sobrang ganda
Ang
niya.
cute ng itsura niya.
Yeah. That's why I think it's the most viral on TikTok. Siya yung pinaka-Instagrammable.
Oh,
I
really?
like the look of the
Mango.
mango.
I like the
Oh, I
mango.
like the look of the
Kasi yung
peach.
pagka-yellow niya, tapos may konting red sa top, yung parang mas colorful. Yung tipong, pag pinakita mo, yun yung parang mag-gravitate ka to getting.
Yeah.
Generational gap, I guess.
Ayun. So yun, meron siyang very, light yung amoy niya na kailangan iganon mo bago mo peach nga siya talaga.
Question, value, 130 pesos per.
Wait lang, let's finish the peach. So,
That was good.
pag bite mo ng peach, meron ka agad for you?
Ako, I like the taste.
It was there, it was subtle.
The reason why I like it more than the mango, kasi yung mango sobrang sweet. Ito medyo
Mas light yung
it's light,
sweetness.
parang medyo refreshing.
Ah.
So I like it the most.
Sa
But
akin,
since mas subtle yung flavor niya, yun yung nalasahan ko yung shell kaysa
Yeah.
dun sa ice cream.
Ako, I like the balance.
wait, mas nalasahan mo ang?
Compared sa mango parang walang shell eh.
Aha.
Yung pagkalasa mo. Sa sobrang lakas ng ice cream,
Aha.
the shell was parang hindi mo maisip na may shell eh.
I guess, yeah. You taste the chocolate with
You
the
test,
peach.
the peach not to taste mo, oh, there's chocolate.
But I like
which is
the
shell.
mix.
The
Pero
mix
yung-
wasn't bad though.
Yung taste niya kasi very light. Yung parang hindi kasi tamis-tamis ni mango, di ba?
So I like
So,
it.
tama lang siya. Pero, yeah, 8.5 ako.
No, 9.5.
8.
8. Okay. So, for 100
Billion.
Billy.
Bili!
So, for 100,
So for value,
how much?
130 lalabas isa kasi 389. So let's put it at 390. It's 130 each.
For the sake of trying it.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's good.
Oo. Yung parang,
But try lang.
hindi ako FOMO, na-try ko siya. Okay na.
You wouldn't buy it again?
Nope. Nope. Hindi na.
I would buy the mango again.
I'd buy the peach one. Siguro like a few times. Not naman like all the time. Like not as my go-to.
No, ako hindi na. Parang, just for the sake na na-try
But-
ko siya, okay na ako.
The sad part is you have to buy them in threes.
You can't buy just one?
Nope.
Really?
No, you have to buy the whole pack.
Really?
This
Oh,
one.
you can't just buy parang isang ganito?
What? No, you have to buy it.
Oh.
By
That's
this.
why it becomes, yung 130
that's-
kasi parang, okay, I want dessert 130. Okay.
Okay.
Kasi if I was to have an ice cream or I would get a froyo, that's about 130 pesos.
Yeah.
Eh.
Okay, maybe not.
But
Maybe
this one, I have to buy with the intent of sharing or keeping it for
Oo.
future na kain.
For kind of 390? Like,
389.
yeah. Okay, maybe not if you have to buy a whole box.
Pero
I
on
think-
purpose.
Per piece.
ka.
So, yun.
So you wouldn't buy it?
No, na. With the intent of having to buy a whole box, no, I don't think I can.
I would.
Ako, I
But
would.
only the mango.
Only the mango.
Ako hindi. Sa akin, hindi na. Just for the sake na na-try ko na siya, okay na ako.
Happy ka na doon.
Happy na ako kasi
Okay.
hindi na ako FOMO na hindi ko alam anong lasa. Tapos nakikita mo, nagpa-viral siya. Okay na ako na nasubukan ko na. Hindi
Pero-
na ako magpapabili ulit.
Medyo OA yung mga ibang video
Hindi
eh.
na ako magpapabili.
Yeah, I feel like
Why?
na-overhype siya.
Na-overhype siya eh.
I feel like everyone was like, it tastes so much like a mango, tastes so much like this.
Well, the mango was good, but it didn't really taste na parang...
I don't know. But it's still good.
It's good.
Overhyped, but it's still good.
I think it's
Overhyped.
overhyped.
For you?
I think it's
For me.
overhyped.
It's just ice cream.
Oo. So yun, hindi na ako magpapabili pa ulit. Magpapabili. Kasi
Magpapabili.
hindi naman ako bumili siya. So yeah, for the sake na na-try ko na siya, hindi na ako uulit. Kahit sabihin mo, nagka-crave ako ng mango, I would rather
just buy
buy
Magnolia.
regular mango ice cream than this one na 300 for 3 of these.
That's one big already.
Yeah.
Yun
Diba?
lang.
Trade, yeah.
Yun lang, walang peach na ice cream.
Not locally.
Not locally.
Not locally.
No, even mga imported.
I'm pretty sure there is.
Yeah, pero
Somewhere.
like not a local.
I mean, dito sa Manila, parang wala ka namang mabibili.
Wala.
Diba?
Pero I'm pretty sure sa Taiwan, China,
Somewhere
out
something
there.
meron. Because
Lemon.
Meron.
Lemon.
Yun nga, sorbet.
No. Pero may lemon ice cream eh. Yung mga nagbebenta ng mga ice cream, the gelato place.
Kaya nga.
I get to see lemon.
the gelato place. Okay.
Pero most are, I think
Sorbet.
there is lemon ice cream, but more are being sold as a sorbet.
Yeah, so, hindi na ako bibili. Kasi parang, for the price na 389, if I'm craving for a mango ice cream, I'll buy mango na lang ng mga ibang brands.
I would have bought the
But
box.
this is full of happiness.
Yeah.
I would have
kasi
bought it
ano,
nga if it had nga yung may gel sa gitna with the jelly.
Yeah, that
I
would
feel like
be
that would have
nice.
sent this over the edge and then I would have considered
But
siguro.
I'm still figuring out, what does mango propitious mean?
Diba?
It's
So,
probably prosperous?
Is that the one?
propitious.
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 Oh, mali tayo ng pagkaka-open. Oh. Meron pa lang. Okay. So,
There's a partition.
Ito wala eh.
Oh,
Meron,
but
meron.
the lemon and the peach meron.
Oo. So, meron siyang pag ganong pang-open pala.
Masyado kami na excited.
I opened it from the bottom kasi.
Yeah.
We just did.
So, same as this. Oh, meron
Okay.
siyang- Okay. So, that's our...
That's our take on the
Viral
overhyped viral ice
Yeah.
cream.
Yeah. Anong name niya? Hold on.
fruit.
No. Honky? Look. Honky.
Hongki.
Hongchi.
Yeah.
Hongchi.
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 Yeah.
Hongchi
So-
sounds so
Oh, wait,
so
okay.
insulting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hongchi.
Ang nakalagay is summer lemon.
Well, it is
Ano,
something.
it has a summer lemon.
Ha?
It's a summer lemon.
No, alam ko lang lemon. Pero hindi ko alam summer
Does it
lemon.
make any
No, no, no.
difference?
Hindi na wala
Pero,
summer.
no, yun lang. Na yun yung tawag
Propitious
sa kanya.
mango.
Mango is mango propitious.
This one just says peach
Si peach,
flavored.
wala. Peach lang siya.
Yeah.
So there. Thank you
guess
for
that-
watching.
Bye.
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 Please follow and subscribe. Like. One more rev and I am gutom na. Bye.
My Instagram.